Hello guys, so today we are going to be starting a new series, and this just might look like a normal world, but I just want to show you something. Guys, this is Minecraft one chunk, and we are going to survive here. We're hopefully gonna beat the End Dragon, and it's gonna be cool. So guys, I actually can't cross this thing. I don't know why. Why I can't die, I don't know. It's not letting me die. Guys, that's wrong. I wanna die, guys. Why can't I die? It's just like, can I break this? No, I can't leave this. Like, can I go under and leave? I wanna die. It's so great dying, right? I can't even mind that. Wow, that's cool. So I can't get out, I can't die. So that's cool. That's good. So does this water lead anywhere? No, I can't swim. So okay, so we are on this island. We have 3 trees. And what's that? That's a chest? What's in there? Okay. Oh my god, I found diamonds. This is so good, guys. I already have diamonds. That's so cool. That's so cool, guys. I just got diamonds so fast. This might be the world record for getting diamonds, guys. I'm rich. I'm rich, guys. I'm rich. I'm rich, guys. Check this out. We just got this diamond. So guys, now what we do? Now we take this and we gonna just get some tools. If I would have had more diamonds, I would probably have made a pickaxe, but there's only one and I'm not gonna waste that on a shuffle, am I? I'm not. So guys, I heard about this map and they say that there are a lot of things in this one chunk. We have the nether, we have like a desert temple, we have a jungle temple, we have the stronghold. So it's gonna be fun, guys. So let's just mine all this wood first. And this is the greatest thing, guys. We even can't die. So that's cool. We can't jump off the edge. I really wanted to, but now it's here. So guys, we have a lot of wood now. Okay, so guys, now let's craft a crafting table. So guys, let's get some tools. Let's get a pick, let's get this, let's get this, let's get this. So guys, let's go to our handy dandy chest. Let's keep our valuables over here. Our food is over here. So we'll keep all the waste stuff. So guys, it's about to turn night time. That's a problem. So are mobs even gonna spawn over here? We don't have torches, so what do I do now? Let's just mine, guys. Let's mine down. You know what's greater than mining down? Okay, so what do I see? I don't want to fall. How is there cobblestone? Okay, so this is interesting. What is that? Okay. Is that a zombie? No, I don't want zombies spawn in here. Hey yo, hey yo. Nah. No zombies, please. Okay, so please don't say zombies are gonna spawn. But hopefully I think they're not gonna spawn because we have this lava and it's protecting us. The lava will protect us. So I forgot to bring wood because I'm dumb. So how will I get up? Let's get up, guys. Wait a silly second. I don't have enough blocks. Then okay, I do actually. What? How did I get less blocks? Did my blocks like disappear somewhere? Well, that's cool. Let me take this with me. Let's go down. Oh, I thought mob spawned, guys. Okay, that was scary. I'm the best guy ever. I forgot to get back wood. So, guys, we are back. I got the wood. So now finally, let's make some tools of stone. Give me a pickaxe. Give me a sword. So guys, I have the stone stuff now, and that's great. So guys, let's get all of this iron, and we are going to make iron armor. Okay, that's a scary piece of iron. Okay. Oh shit. No. Okay, fine, that's good. So let's mine this, guys. Can I mine this spawner? No, let's don't do that. It can be good for making a farm here, guys. Okay, this is cool. This is a lot of iron. Okay, guys, so we are getting. Oh, I thought that was diamonds. Oh, I can't mine that. That's sad. I can't mine that. Can I mine this? Yeah, I can. I can mine you too. Okay, what's that? Oh, that's the same thing. Okay. So guys, we have a lot of iron. So let's just keep this all for smelting. Let's take the final pieces of iron. First, let's take all the iron available here, guys, because I really need some iron. I wanna make full iron armor so that I can finally feel safe. I can't get this. Why did I come here? I wasted my blocks. So guys, let's go back up there because we sadly can't mine all this. There's a lot of iron that we can't mine. So let's go up now. Where did we come from? Okay, let's go up, guys. It didn't say mobs are there. Okay, so that's good. So guys, we got 17 pieces of iron. Let's see what's here. I really want to see what's down there, but I guess I can't. No. What? Can I fall? I can. From here I can fall. That's cool. I was able to fall from that side. So what is exactly down here? So guys, we are here We need some food, guys. Let's see what's down here. We'll mine into there. The sand! No, I don't want to fall. So what's this? What's inside of here? Can we see? I can't mine. No. No, I don't want to go. I don't want to die. Wait. Let me go up now. How I'm gonna get back up? Oh my god, it's gonna take so much time. Guys, I'll meet you when I get back up. Okay, I'll meet you when I get back up, guys. Guys, so I am back up and I'm dying. No! So guys, we are almost there. It's morning. It took so much time to come down from there. But now that we are finally back, can we mine this? Can you let me mine yourself? So I can't mine all that. So guys, we are finally up. No! Wow! 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 I died. So that's cool. So let's get some more wood. We are back at square one and it's gonna be great. I can't mine you. That means I don't have wood now. That's... wow. That was great, guys. Now what do I do? Okay, so I guess we gotta do some mining like this. Because we can't do any. I seriously don't have any wood. I seriously don't. What are you looking at, bro? Give me some wood. Can I mine this? Please let me mine this. Please let me mine this. I can't mine this. I lost all the wood. God, Minecraft God, can you please just give me some wood? From where the fuck do I get wood? I died. Can I go back over there again? To that place where I died? Can I get my stuff back? The answer is... okay. So guys, I've got my stuff back. I am here in this situation. So let's try breaking this over here. So guys, I finally got my stuff back. That's great news. So let's just loot this desert temple. There's nothing better to do. So let's just do this. So how am I gonna survive that fall? Oh, it's just down here. Please don't tell there's TNT. There's no TNT. So if I press this, nothing explodes. That's good. So gunpowder. This is cool. So I don't want to die now, guys, because now I got a lot of stuff. Finally, I can make beds. That's great news, guys. Oh my god, guys, now we are rich. But wait, how are we gonna get up? There's so many bones. How many puppies can I feed? What the hell? Protection 4, 2 god apples. Wow, this is cool. I'm getting pretty rich, guys. Seems like, and I still have chests left to loot. Bones. That's cool. How many bones are we having right now, guys? Okay, guys. So we just looted the best as a temple there might be in existence. So let's get out of here. From where did I come? Came from here. Did I? From where the hell did I come? How can I tell? Wait a second, guys. From where the hell did I come? Can I break you? No, I can't. I can't break you either. Can break you. Please tell there's some exit over here. Can I break you? So, how do I get out of here? So I guess I have to go up from here. Please don't. Oh no! Meow. What the hell? What the hell? Bro, what the hell you thinking, dude? Bro, he was about to. Oh, so we finally found the exit. So, how do we get up? What? How do we get up? Why are there borders in this world? Why can't they let us live nicely? Do I seriously have to mine all the way up there? I do have 2 sticks, but I don't have wood. How the hell am I going to craft a pickaxe? There's no way out. I can't be stuck here forever. Is this a way out? Yes. Finally. Can you let me enter water inside you? Now let's go up, guys. And I hope I survive this time, because last time I fell and this time I will not fall. And if I will, I have my god apples. I am going to survive. No. I was just about to die. I'm so rich, guys. I have enchanted golden. Wait, what? No. I know where it is, but I can't place blocks? Then why can't I go out? No, I don't have any more blocks. Can I make a block of iron? Can I make the jump? This is the block I can mine, right? So I can go here. Yes, guys, we made it up. We are the proest players in this world, guys. And now we can safely put our loot here, because I don't want to lose all this. This is great, you know, guys. We'll have like a stack of that. Okay, so this is our loot, guys. We don't have wood, so how are we going to craft our armor? So guys, I'll meet you when I get some wood, because this is gonna take a lot of time. So let's just decide, guys. So guys, I finally got some wood. This is the next day. I planted a sapling and now I have all the wood. So guys, now finally we are going to be crafting our crafting table finally after 1 million years. Okay, so let's take this. Let's make some wood. So let's make a crafting table. Why did I make two? Okay, that's fine. I'll just keep one over here for some uses, guys. And then I'll place this one over here. I'll make this. That's it. Okay, so let's wear what we got. Okay, I already wear that. Let's keep the leftover over here. Is that a mob? So, and do we have diamonds? Yeah, we do. I really want to make a pickaxe, but I don't have stuff for it. So I guess I have to make a wooden pickaxe again. I can make a gold pickaxe. I'll just do it. Because who cares? So guys, we have all these tools with us. Let's go down for some exploration, guys, because exploration is always fun. So we already got to this area, so we gotta go down here. I'm about to die and I don't have food. Is there a chest over here? Please tell. There is a chest. Where are chests? I really need a chest. Bro, where's the loot? Bro, are they seriously not gonna give me any loot? Hey, yo, sheesh. Dude, be at least a little kind. Give me some loot. There's no loot. Seriously. Okay, this area is a waste of my time. So we gotta go down. Okay, so good. This is water. I place a block here and here. Yeah, now I can get up whenever I need breath. So I need breath right now. Give me some breath. So let's go down to explore this. Fast. Quick. Go up. I'm on half a heart. I just might be the proest person alive. So we got those diamonds. So let's go back down again. Just 6 diamonds left. 2 turtle shells. Get up. Let's wear this. And now we're great. It's great now. Now I can loot everything peacefully. This is just great. So much puffer fish. I love eating puffer fish. Do I? 22 of it. I thought we don't take any, Okay, so guys, let's go even down. Oh, that's the layer. So we gotta mine from here. That's it. What? Hey yo, sheesh. No. this is the desert temple. So guys, we gotta go from down here. But guys, what's the fun? Let's just end the episode. Cause guys, it's been too long. So let's go up now. We're gonna end the episode as because it's been too long. So guys, I'll reach up there and I'll meet you. So guys, this was great. And in today's episode, we found a lot of stuff like 12 diamonds, and now we can finally make some armor. I found a turtle shell so that I can breathe in water, and it's great, guys. So there are a lot of mobs down there. So guys, I'll meet you in the next episode before I die, because I'm on half a heart and I'll starve any time. So bye, guys.